What's going on, everybody? It's your boy K1K, and you already know it feels good to be back. Some of you guys already followed my other video and got a chance to see that I had the bike and track ready for some things. A little bit of troubleshooting, and as the title says, I pinched the fuel line, guys. It's on me. So taking the tank on and off, doing different things, the power commander and all that, I ended up pinching my fuel line. Didn't notice it. It went through everything. Everything was fine. Nothing was lean or anything weird, but it was soft in one area, and it was actually fueling my bike too much, and it was really only noticeable whenever you know, after the fan that comes on for a little bit and low speed cruising, it was sputtering so bad because of all of the fuel that was getting in there. So I was at like high 10s, right at 11 flat, you know, according to John. And that's what was causing the issue. So got an OEM Kawasaki line on there, of course, got it replaced. He went through and redid my whole fuel map on Power Commander, and everything is butter now. So super excited to have it back. Just great to be back on twos again. He had the bike for a little bit, and then we had some crap weather like I was telling you guys about, so hindered, you know, working on the bike for 2 days and, you know, different things like that. So but shout out to John, David, and those guys at Track Ready for helping me out, taking care of Aria, making sure she was straight, so I can take advantage of this 70-degree day out here, man, in February. So I'm trying to tell y'all, you need to move to Texas, man, or far south, anywhere south, man. That way you can enjoy your investments, you know, year-round if possible. So, but yeah, just want to give you guys an update on that and let you guys know that she's in good hands. But as you guys already seen, I do have more parts in for the bike. So I have the Vortex 520 conversion sprockets and chain. I went with a 42th rear, which is dropping down 1, and I'm staying 17 up front. So I wanted to try to get some more top end. So that was the goal, and we're going to do that. And I went with the EK 3D chain. So saved a little bit of weight with all this stuff, but I'm going to try to get desirable power levels or power band, you know, the way I need it to be and want it to be. So we'll see how 1740 goes, and I already know I'm probably gonna end up buying several other sprockets for testing, trying things out, you know, in the future and get it the way I want. So it'll be going over there soon, getting lowered. That stuff will be going on. You guys saw I got the Brock's window link. Also, I'll go with a different steering dampener or damper. So excuse me, so I can drop go with a different steering damper so I can drop the bike in the front. Also, and I got my Brock strap kit in, so I'm gonna be able to hopefully enjoy the bike with KTRC off and go from there, man. So looking forward to what's to come. So we'll see. But another discussion that I would like to talk to y'all about is motovloggers that inspired me to start vlogging initially, and who I like now, of course. But initially there was a vlogger by the name of Ninja First Class. He used to have, I want to say it was like a 13 to 15 inch, somewhere in that year frame, ZX6R. So I had a ZX6, so I was looking for vloggers that had that, just looking at different exhausts, just different things, and he popped up on YouTube search. So found him, and I became a big fan afterwards, man. Watching all his stuff, subscribe, bell, all that kind of stuff. Every time something come up, I'm watching this guy. He wasn't very, very well known compared to some of these other big names out there, but he was the truth to me, man. Like, he talked about real life situations and things that was going on, and I loved that about him. Like, it wasn't just all racing and all that kind of stuff, which is cool, don't get me wrong, I love that, but he talked about stuff too. And sometimes you just want to hear people that's relatable to you talk about stuff, so you know that you're not the only one going through certain situations and things. So I did enjoy his content a lot, but unfortunately he stopped vlogging years back. I can't remember the year, but he was going through some personal things. I want to say it was a divorce and stuff that he was letting his, you know, subscribers know, and he was focused on making sure his children were going to be okay, and, you know, doing all of that stuff, you know, being a dad and focusing on that. So definitely respect him for that. And if you're watching this, or if you watch it one day, I hope that you're doing well, and I hope your family is great, man. And thanks for the memories. But he quit for a bit. He came back, explained to his subscribers what was going on, and you know, was letting us know what was up, and that he deleted his whole library of stuff, which, man, that sucks. I have a feeling that he regretted that at some point, but he deleted all of his library, everything. And then he tried to come back, made like 2 videos under a new name, which I can't even remember what it was. And that was it. I guess he figured he couldn't come back and didn't want to come back from that. And that was it, man. But I have a feeling he chose Ninja First Class because he was a Sergeant First Class in the Army, and obviously he had a Ninja, so, you know, wanted to do some wordplay a little bit, which was dope. But it was black, and if I can find a picture somewhere of it, I'll post it. But like I said, he deleted his stuff, so it's gonna be difficult. I don't know if the new channel, which I think is still up, has a picture of the bike. If it does, then, you know, I'll throw it in here. But that was what got me interested about bikes even more, and, you know, wanting to potentially vlog at that time. This was back in 2017. You know, a couple of my favorite guys that I like to watch now, you know, 650E, Motomac TV, Dude Mungus, you know, Easy Rider Moto, Envy King, you know, EJR. I watch their podcasts all the time. Very entertaining, informative. You know, it's dope being able to check them out and see them respond to the community and, you know, offer suggestions to different things like that. Not a lot of shops do that, and if they do, it's definitely not as often as they do. He puts out like a Q&A probably pretty much weekly, you know, so pretty dope. But yeah, those are like my big favorites now, but I do constantly explore, try to see if I can find more people to watch, and you know, sub to them. And, you know, the community, we all got to build each other up, right? So that's the plan. So we'll see. But yeah, that's gonna pretty much do it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and call it for the day. And if you like what you saw, please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment, all of that. Reach out to me, follow me on IG, TikTok, all of that stuff, guys. I appreciate it, man. Y'all have a good one.